Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to share your Discord links and invite your contacts to join into your server. In order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open your Discord application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you reach to the home screen of your Discord on your desktop, you'll be able to see your server right here. In order to share a link, click on invite your friends, and from the pop-up, you can go ahead and search your friends to whom you want to share your link to in particular, and then simply click on the invite button in order to invite them on your server. You can also click on this copy button and copy your link, go back to the conversation box, and then simply paste your link. And you can also mention some friends if you want. Type in @ and type in one of your contacts' name and then simply send your email. Now your friends can simply click on this link and then join to your server. That way you can share your link or invite any contact to join your server on Discord. There's other way to invite people on your server as well. What you'll need to do is go and click on your server at the upper left corner, and then from the expanded menu, click on invite people. And you can invite people to your server from this option as well. That is how you can share your link for your Discord server. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.